Have you ever wondered how the wealthy manage to grow their fortunes while many others seem to be stuck in financial limbo? What if there were tried and true strategies for building lasting wealth that went beyond the usual advice? Imagine having a powerful approach to not only safeguard your money, but also significantly increase it over time. In this video, we're going to delve into 7 proven assets that can set you on the path to financial security, with a special focus on the pivotal role real estate plays in this strategy. Get ready to uncover the keys to long-term wealth building and how you can apply these strategies to achieve financial success. Let's start with a fundamental principle of wealth building: diversification. This isn't just a buzzword, but a crucial strategy that helps spread risk and maximize potential returns. By diversifying your investments, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, which can protect you from market volatility and downturns. Diversification can involve a range of asset classes, from stocks and bonds to real estate and precious metals. Each type of asset has its own characteristics and benefits, and a well-diversified portfolio can offer a balanced approach to wealth accumulation. Among the various assets available, real estate stands out as a cornerstone of wealth building. Investing in real estate offers multiple advantages that make it a powerful tool for financial growth. One of the primary benefits of real estate investment is the opportunity to leverage borrowed funds. Unlike many other investments, real estate allows you to use mortgages to acquire properties. This means you can invest in higher value properties and potentially generate greater returns without having to commit all your capital up front. In addition to leveraging, real estate investments often come with significant tax benefits. For instance, you can take advantage of depreciation, which allows you to deduct the cost of the property over time, reducing your taxable income. Mortgage interest deductions are another tax advantage that can help lower your overall tax liability. These benefits make real estate not only a solid investment choice, but also an efficient one from a tax perspective. Moreover, real estate provides a tangible asset that can generate a steady stream of income. Rental properties, for example, can produce consistent rental income, which can be reinvested to further grow your wealth. Additionally, real estate has the potential for appreciation. Over time, the value of your property can increase, providing capital gains when you decide to sell. This combination of rental income and potential appreciation makes real estate a robust asset for building and maintaining wealth. While real estate is a powerful tool, it's important to complement it with other investments to create a well-rounded portfolio. Stocks are a critical component of this strategy. Investing in the stock market offers the potential for high returns, but it requires a long-term perspective. The stock market is often referred to as a mechanism for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. In other words, while short-term fluctuations can be unsettling, those who hold on to their investments and stay the course are more likely to reap the rewards. One effective way to invest in stocks is through index funds. These funds are designed to track specific indices, such as the S&P 500, and offer a low-cost way to gain exposure to a broad range of stocks. Index funds provide diversification by including a variety of companies within the fund, which helps mitigate individual stock risk. This approach allows you to participate in the overall growth of the market without needing to pick individual stocks. Over time, index funds can deliver steady returns and build wealth effectively. Incorporating both real estate and stocks into your investment strategy allows you to benefit from the strengths of each asset class. Real estate offers stability, income potential, and tax advantages, while stocks provide growth opportunities and diversification. By balancing these investments, you can create a portfolio that is resilient to market fluctuations and capable of achieving long-term financial goals. Another key to building wealth is understanding the importance of long-term investing. This means having patience and sticking to your investment plan even when short-term market conditions are unfavorable. The concept of long-term investing is particularly relevant in the stock market, where trends and patterns often become more favorable over extended periods. By maintaining a long-term perspective, you can capitalize on the overall upward trend of the market and achieve significant financial growth. Furthermore, investing in a diverse range of assets can enhance your ability to create and sustain wealth. While real estate and stocks are crucial, other assets like bonds, precious metals, and alternative investments can also play a role in your portfolio. Bonds, for example, offer stability and income through interest payments, while precious metals like gold can act as a hedge against inflation. Exploring a variety of investment options allows you to build a comprehensive strategy that addresses different financial needs and goals. It's also important to continuously review and adjust your investment strategy as your financial situation and goals evolve. Regularly assessing your portfolio ensures that you stay aligned with your objectives and can make necessary adjustments in response to changing market conditions. This proactive approach helps you stay on track and adapt to new opportunities or challenges. In summary, building and securing wealth requires a strategic approach that incorporates a variety of assets. Diversifying your investments across real estate, stocks, index funds, and other asset classes can provide a balanced and resilient portfolio. Real estate offers unique advantages such as leverage, tax benefits, and steady income, while stocks and index funds offer growth potential and diversification. By combining these assets and adopting a long-term investment perspective, you can create a solid foundation for financial success. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with more valuable insights on building and securing your wealth, don't forget to like this video, hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest content, and subscribe to our channel, Elite Finance Insights. Your support helps us continue to provide you with the information you need to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued success and financial security.